This is Ricky Emerson from Advantage Hearing and Audiology here in Eden, North Carolina. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to clean your hearing aid. So regardless of what type of hearing aid you have, if it's the kind that goes behind your ear like what you see here, or the kind that's custom made that you stick inside of your ear, the cleaning process remains the same. There's a two-step process to cleaning your hearing aids. Step number one is you want to get you some alcohol pads. Now, you can get alcohol pads at any retail place. You can get it at your pharmacy. You can get them at Walmart. You can get them anywhere. Get you a box of 500 and they'll last you, a very long time. But what you do is you take the alcohol pads and you wipe off the hearing aid, the part that goes behind your ear. You also can wipe off the part that goes inside of your ear as well. Now, you want to do this on an as-needed basis. So if you pull the hearing aid out and you notice there's a lot of wax on the end of it, wipe that wax off. Because if you don't clean that dome off, what will happen is that there's something under here called a filter, and that'll get stopped up and it'll make your hearing aid not work very well. So, so you take the alcohol pad, you wipe off both the part that goes inside of your ear and the part that goes behind your ear. So that's step one of a two-step process. Then you want to take a toothbrush. You probably have an old toothbrush laying around the house. Grab it, as long as it's not been used in any other kind of chemicals or anything like that. But on your hearing aid, there's a couple of holes. Now, depending on the brand of your hearing aid and all that stuff will determine where the holes is at. But you take the toothbrush and you just brush off the part that goes behind your ear. You want to do that about once or twice a month. So once or twice a month minimum on the alcohol pads, and once or twice a month on using the toothbrush, and wipe it off as needed in between those processes as well. As long as you do that, your hearing aid will probably last you quite a bit longer because a dirty hearing aid is a non-performing hearing aid. Keep it clean, that way your brain is getting all the information. Have a blessed day.